DJI already announced an update for my favorite microphone set. Let's talk about it. A few weeks ago, I made a video on this DJI Mic Mini 2 and why I think this is a great deal for smaller creators. But I had two issues with this kit that I felt might complicate day-to-day use. There was no backup recording and there's no 32-bit float. Well, it looks like DJI got to see this video. No, they didn't. Because they announced an update that fixes exactly those issues. It's the DJI Mic Mini 2S. And S stands for we forgot to add those features. Let's fix that. Look, I don't have them, but they're basically the same size. They look the same and they're about the same weight. There's a 1 gram difference. But it gets you those 2 extra features. Well, actually, come to think of it, it gives you 3 extra features. Because you can connect 4 of these microphones instead of just 2. But unless you run, I don't know, with a pack, an entourage, or you're planning to record podcasts with these microphones, that is not going to matter much. The local storage though, 14.5 gigs. It's kind of funny that it is 14.5, but yeah, there you go. Look, it's like I said in my review, you don't necessarily need it, but it is going to give you some ease of mind knowing that there is a backup file in case you, you fuck up. And same goes for the 32-bit float. That is going to avoid clipping or, on the other hand, peaking. You can avoid all of the issues that these features fix by doing a decent prep. But sometimes there simply is no time. Sometimes you don't have that experience. Sometimes you get distracted and often you're just too lazy. I know what I'm talking about. Now, this also gives you 2 less reasons to buy the more expensive Mic 3, which is their flagship microphone. The Mic Mini 2S hasn't released yet in Europe. And it's probably never going to release in the States because of the known issues between the government and DJI. But judging by the price that it is set at in China, where it is already available, we're looking at 100 to 150 euros, kind of depending on what setup you're going to pick exactly. And that is a reasonable step up from the Mic Mini 2, but still far away from the 240 euros that you pay for the DJI Mic 3. And what that extra 100 bucks would get you with the Mic 3 is, well, double the storage, 32 gigs. There's dual band transition, which is going to give you longer range, more stability. You can use time codes, and the receiver has a touchscreen. That is decent stuff if you're using this professionally, on a high level. But for smaller creators that are finding their way, that are trying to get to learn all this gear, those extra 100 bucks are not worth it. There's plenty of other stuff that you can use that 100 bucks for. Like this color checker, for instance. I made a video about it. Go check it out. So yeah, I think the Mic Mini 2S might be the new standard for smaller creators. If you start for cash and you trust yourself, you can get the DJI Mic 2. But otherwise, I would go for the 2S, as I'm going to do, because I don't trust myself. So I have to sell this Mini 2, I guess. By the way, I have affiliate links to all of the microphones that we discussed in this video and all the gear I used to record this video. Feel free to use them. I need to buy a new set of microphones. Nah, I need to find my the password to my eBay account. Do people still use eBay? Bye.